Welcome friends. As usual, again today we have come out with a very exciting project where we have converted a Fortuner 2017 model which was in a black color vehicle to a GR model with a very sizzling red color. Friends, you should watch out the entire minute details in this vehicle which we have taken care of. To match up the GR standards, we have done the interiors with the carbon black finish with the GR logos in that. We have done a muscular, beautiful steering wheel. We have upgraded the complete body line of this vehicle to a GR conversion kit with all the minute details. Friends, also we have upgraded this audio of this vehicle with a hypersonic audio. Plus we have added on Audison speakers in this with the premium damping. And many more accessories in this vehicle. Friends, you shouldn't miss this video. You should watch it, the entire details of this to really enjoy the entire setup. Come, let's enjoy it. We have also added on lots of pics in this vehicle, the pre and the post shoot of this vehicle. You should watch the entire detail for you to understand the entire comparison. Come, let's have a look. You can see the ongoing process of this vehicle. So today the paint job is done. The other fitments are also in the process. Like the lighting job is done, the leather upholstery job is in process. The multiple options of leathers we have done. You can see we have revamped this. I mean the theme of this vehicle is completely a black and a red color combination. So this is how the process work is going on. You can watch out the rear bumper. It's been installed completely. We have done this beautiful light in the rear bumper slot. Lamps have been installed. Yes, still a lot more work to be done. The process of the polishing and the detailing is still been pending. Stay tuned for the look. So friends, we are ready to showcase the entire project what we have done. Watch out this wonderful sizzling red color GR version. So starting from the front profile, friends, you can see we have changed the headlights of this vehicle. The bumper is exactly as per the GR specifications. We have done the hydro dipping gloss black color of this grille. The center grille which exactly looks like the GR option. We have done the tagging of GR which really fascinated the vehicle completely. You can see the front profile, it is exactly as per the GR look. Starting from the side profile, friends, you must have been knowing this fender linings is always in black color. The GR comes with the same body color stuff. So we have done exactly like the OEM GR look. We have also did the hydro dipping of this alloy wheels to a satin black color which really gels up this vehicle very nicely. The side mirrors have been dechromed to black color. All this window shelling also have been done as per the GR specifications with the door handles. Coming with the interior profile, friends, you can see the tagging of a GR is done and all this minute detailing is been taken care exactly as per the car OEM look. You can see this hydro dipping done in carbon fiber finish. You can also see this hydro dipping done in a gloss black finish with a GR logo on that. Come, have a close look. You can also see the muscular steering added on to the beauty of this vehicle. Coming back to the rear profile, friends, you can see it's completely dechrome, just like the original vehicle. We have also installed these beautiful tail lamps which matches the blend of the car. We have also installed these pillar lights. You can see the rear bumper is also done in a two-tone, so which really blends your vehicle. The minute details have been taken care of, blending the stuff absolutely proper. You can see this. Friends, this project has taken almost 40 to 45 days for us to complete, from the bottom scratch to the final result which is there in front of you. All the minute details have been worked on at, it has been taken care of to get the optimum result. We would really come back with the review of the customer very soon on this project itself. So friends, we have got Amol sir and his team along with us, who is taking the delivery of this wonderful beast today on a very special day of Padwa. Last 45 days, even Amol sir and all of his friends were continuously doing all the follow-up with me, trying to understand the current status of the vehicle. Yes, few updates we have already given it to him, but not all of them. So today he is there with us. We would expect to get some good review from him. Amol sir and Mitra Pare. Sir, yeah. So we have got all the friends with us. Sir, thank you so much. आम्हाला काम करायला दिल्याबद्दल मनापासून धन्यवाद तुम्हाला. पण सर तुमचा काय चांगला रिव्ह्यू काय असेल तो प्लीज सांगा.
सर्वप्रथम बाफना मोटरच्या सर्व व्ह्युअर्सला गुढीपाडव्याच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आज खरं तर गाडीला आम्ही जवळजवळ एक 15 ते 20 दिवस आम्ही यांच्याकडे सरांकडे हँडओव्हर केली होती. गाडी कशी दिसतीये, कशी होईल याची आम्हाला काहीच कल्पना नव्हती, पण सरांनी आम्हाला वेळोवेळी मार्गदर्शन केलं. गाडी छान दिसेल आणि त्यांनी केलेलं काम इतकं उत्कृष्ट होतं की खरंच म्हणतो ना आपण डोळ्याचे पारणे फिटण्यासारखा हा क्षण आहे. गाडी खूप आवडली आम्हाला. आमचे सर्व मित्रपरिवार सगळ्यांनाच गाडीचं लूक, ओव्हरऑल काम, पेंटिंगचं असेल, आतलं इंटिरियरचं काम असेल, सिस्टमचं काम असेल, खूपच अगदी छान. आणि मी सर्व बघणाऱ्या व्ह्युअर्सला सगळ्यांना सजेस्ट करेल, भविष्यात तुमचं काय काम असेल तुम्ही सरांकडेच प्रमोट करावं, त्यांच्याकडनंच काम करून घ्या. अगदी छान. पुन्हा एकदा गुढीपाडव्याच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
So viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you. So guys, hope you have liked the entire job done by us at BAFNA Cars, Pune. But nevertheless, for all these options, for all this requirement, you can feel free to call BAFNA Cars. My name is Danesh BAFNA, signing off. Thank you so much.